Welcome to Educami. We are introducing a short, approximately you can say 2.5 months, 2.5 months of a bridge program. Why we call this as a bridge program is because it's like a link between where you are without that base and where you want to move towards into full-fledged organized preparation. It's a kind of a link between that gap that you have otherwise. So bridge program, in bridge program we'll spend 10-12 days on 4 basic areas of GS. We will have some bit of history, we'll have some bit of economy, we will have some bit of geography, and we'll have some bit of polity. Approximately 10-12 days, in some topics maybe 15 days. So keeping this in mind, I said 2.5 months, and this will not be typically what you will cover for entire GS. बेटा आप लोगों का GS जो है ना वो आपका 10-12 महीने लगते हैं खत्म करने के लिए to do justice with it. So don't expect we'll teach you all GS, but this will be a good type of dipping your feet. You know, खाने के पहले थोड़ा सा आप चख लेते हो कि नमक ठीक है या नहीं types. Before you dive into a process, you can always start off initiation. ये वो initiation है. And in this initiation, our focus will be largely around NCERT. The idea is not to finish NCERT. The idea is not to cover all NCERTs. The idea is to pick up the more important, relevant topics from NCERTs. Lot of topic of NCERTs are repeated. Class 6th में, class 7th में, class 8th में. You don't have to read every line from every book. So we'll take up those important topics. We'll take up the relevant areas of discussions, and we'll present to you in a bit more readable format. When you study a concept, you need to study the concept in the context of what it is written. So if I just give you the names of 10 freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi, we have got Lala Lajpat Rai, Shaheed Bhagat Singh, we have got Tilak, Sarojini Naidu. If I give a name like this and I say by heart, trust me, you cannot enjoy history. Most of us, when we are memorizing only facts, we lose out the interesting stories behind the studies or behind those concepts. So our focus will be to teach you these NCERTs along with the context, to teach the NCERTs along with the stories that go with those concepts. It's like initiating you into a bit more organized and a bit more involved way of studying. So that is our objective. So the bridge program, or this is the Head Start program. Head Start program, where our objective is we'll cover these 4 core areas. We will initiate you into some current affairs, newspaper reading. We will try covering NCERTs in a more contextual way. And very importantly, these sessions will be in the evenings and in the weekends also. I'm not saying only Saturday and Sundays. We'll have them in the Friday evenings, maybe Wednesday evenings, maybe 1 or 2 classes on Saturdays, 1 or 2 classes on Sundays, where those who are in college, working professionals, you can benefit from these classes. And once you finish this class, then you enter the actual full-fledged study. And those who are preparing for 2023, then you have got good 1 year to do a lot of self-study also if you want to get into the proper process.